Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Kindergarten Video Lectures. Let's explore, learn, and have fun together on this exciting educational journey.
Dear students, today we are going to learn about the lesson of these and those. These and those are also demonstrative pronouns. They used to refer the multiple objects. These is used to refer to objects those are near. Those is used to refer to objects those are far away. These are my toys. These are my apples. These are colorful balloons. Those are pens. Those are your books. Those are pretty flowers. Thank you. See you in the next lesson.